use a peeler or whatever, you don't want to be losing so much of it. This is expensive, you know, and it's good for the health. You don't want to just throw it in the bin. So the way to do it, you hold it sideways and pull it towards you. And you're not going to cut yourself in a million years if you do like this. And you can get around all the little bits, corners and crevices and everything like this. And you're not going to waste anything.
Do you put your ginger in the freezer?
If you get to one like that. People do. We just normally have it fresh. I'm actually growing it at home.
Oh.
So I keep the way you can preserve the ginger is you can put it in a bucket of sand, dry sand.
Really?
And it'll last for a long time. I can keep it throughout the winter in dry sand, and then I bring it, and then I of course use it whatever you want. And then in the spring, like now, you can take it out of the sand and put it in the ground and grow it again for the next season. Same with turmeric. And yeah, a lot of things like that. Even that's how I keep kumara.
Yeah.
I just put it in sand. And you've got a mountain of sand over there.
Yeah.